I've been doing this maybe all my life, as cliche as it sounds. I grew up in the salon. I feel like in this industry, we all have imposter syndrome where we don't feel like we are enough.
I don't know one stylist who has never felt burnt out or like they've overgiven. We've all kind of been there.
It's such a intense job, and there's so many clients that dump emotions on you.
It can get overwhelming. When you're feeling like that, do what serves you. Reevaluating your situation. Are you overworked? Why are you overworked?
Work can be very stressful, but understand that you're in this position because of who you are and your talent.
A client connects to you because they know they can be open. I made a community through hair.
Yeah.
And we give a lot.
Yes.
That's part of our job.
So when they sit in my chair and they have self-doubt or they're questioning things, I go in confident. Like give them options, solutions.
But that also has affected me as well, because it's like I feel like I always have to be on.
Yeah.
Social media has a lot to do with like mental health and like
Absolutely.
making you feel like second guessing yourself.
And that's any creative that's like really out there and really freelancing without any security. Like owning your own salon, you have to create security for others.
Yeah.
That's a lot, and that's a lot of
work.
pressure.
Yeah, that's why you have to set boundaries. I'm really good saying no, because at the end of the day, it's my artwork.
Mental wellness means positive self-talk.
When I feel my best, I do my best.
Take some time for yourself. Always reflect.
It's okay to be honest and vulnerable. The more you talk about it, the more resources you have.
What does mental wellness mean to me? It means everything.